We're here today in the Government Center celebrating National Library Week. We have a lobby display highlighting every day something a little bit different about our Fairfax County Public Library system. Some days we're celebrating early literacy, other days our Access Services Library, which supports those folks who have maybe hearing or physical disabilities. One day we're celebrating just our programming extravaganzas. Every day brings something a little different in the library, and we wanted to really highlight that during National Library Week. So your Fairfax County Public Library, where we've got 23 different locations, including one here in the Government Center, is a space that's there for everyone. If you are a new parent who's trying to bring your child a love of books from the first point in life all the way up through adults who are maybe looking to re-educate themselves or find some opportunities to recreate that don't cost a lot of money, you can come to your Fairfax Library, any branch of your choice, and get those access resources for free. You can check out books, you can check out any of our Library of Things items, which range from thermal cameras to check the heat loss in your building, to dark skies kits if you want to see if you have light pollution in your backyard, artwork at our George Mason Library, or you can check out a Connect kit if you need a laptop and a MiFi unit at no cost to yourself. Way back yonder in 1939, the Fairfax County Public Library system was started with a mere investment of $250 to kick off our public library system. We serve everyone in our community still with slightly wider range of opportunities and a slightly larger budget, but this year we are celebrating our 85th anniversary. We invite people to come into any of our branches, get a library card if you don't have one, take your kids to a story time, participate in a book club, drop your teenager off for a teen group meeting, really do anything you can think of in your public library during our 85th anniversary year. Visit any library and see the variety of things that we have to offer.